In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily share your screen in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever needed to present a document, a slideshow, or any on-screen content during an online meeting, mastering this feature will make your collaboration smoother and more professional. Let's keep it simple and stress-free. First, sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can use the desktop app or the web version. The experience is very similar. Open Microsoft Teams, enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can manage chats, join teams, schedule meetings, and access everything you need. Next, start a video call or meeting. Look for the video camera icon, typically in the top right area of Teams. Click it to begin setting up a call. This part matters because screen sharing only works inside an active meeting, so you'll need to be connected before you can present anything to others. After you initiate the call, select Start Meeting. You'll enter a live meeting room where you can invite participants from your organization or external guests if necessary. Take a moment to settle in and make sure you're comfortable with your setup. Once you're inside the meeting, direct your attention to the control bar along the bottom of the screen. Click the Share option. A menu will open with several choices for how you want to present your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Pick the option that best matches what you want to show. Entire screen is great if you plan to switch between multiple apps. Window is ideal when you want to focus on one program without distractions, and a browser tab works well for presenting a single website. If you choose entire screen, everyone will see everything on your display. Before you do that, it's a good idea to close personal items, silence notifications, and have all the files you plan to use open and ready. This keeps the presentation clean and avoids any unexpected pop-ups. Organizing your desktop and lining up your documents ahead of time can save you from scrambling during the call. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can confidently share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. With a bit of preparation and practice, it quickly becomes second nature and makes your presentations, walkthroughs, and collaborations far more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips and tutorials.